I'm dipping in my Civic, my Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LS Ride 254, aka JDS better than the rest. I be having a feeling, I be wanting to say it, I be like, I know I changed the shit. But yeah, we're just gonna throw it on there as an AKA. You know what I'm saying? Somebody in the comments said something the other day about JDS better than the rest, and it let me know that you've been rocking for a minute, because like the JDS thing been going for a minute, and the JDS is pretty much just like my initials. First name start with a J, last name start with a D. Then I'm a senior, so I asked JDS. So both of them still fitting. I drive LS Chevy, and I'm still JDS. So anyway, let's get into it. Just leaving the gym. The knee is feeling much better. I'm back at it. I'm not just trying to go like 120% like I was before, because I'm still not exactly 100% sure what went wrong, when it went wrong. So, yeah, that part. So, what I want to holler at y'all about today is, this is the anniversary of demonetization. Anniversary of demonetization. Say that shit 5 times fast. So, it's March 20th. If y'all been watching all the videos and stuff, you know what I'm saying, you know, YouTube changed up the rules like February of this year. Like the beginning of February, or it might have been January. I forgot when, but my channel got demonetized. Today makes exactly a month ago. So yeah. And I honestly can say that like, we ain't hurt. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's never, you know what I'm saying, been strictly about it's never been strictly about the money. Like, if you go back and you watch my original videos, like, they were just me. I think my very first video that I put on this channel was like me smoking a brisket. And then, you know what I'm saying, it was just like me tinkering around with my motorcycle and shit. I bought a motorcycle for like 800 bucks. Dude said it wasn't running. I got the shit running. Turned around, sold it for $2,000. So it was basically just me showing, you know what I'm saying, like my mechanically enthusiast type deal, you know what I'm saying? Like, I kind of love the challenge. Like, I mean, I don't mind working with my hands. Sometimes it gets, what's the word? I don't know. I don't even know what to call it. Like, I just like working with my hands. Like, I'm not like I'm not a call center type person. Like, I'd rather be doing some shit with my hands. I don't like redundant work. You know what I'm saying? I like variation, and you definitely get that when you fooling with cars and stuff. So like I said, it's never been about, you know, hey, getting the money. Like, I got a stream of income. Now, does that mean that because I'm here that I'm not gonna try to take advantage of it? No, not at all. If there are avenues to get to the money, then I'm trying to get to the money, each and every type of way, but not sacrificing like doing what I love. Like, I'm not making a YouTube for, like, that's like me going and trying to do like a gaming channel or some shit that's not really, that doesn't reflect who I am. You know what I'm saying? Let me see, I'm trying to think of example. What's hot on YouTube right now? Like, that thing said Demon on the side, but it was an SUV. Nah. I don't know. I was trying to think of like a situation or a scenario in which it would kind of apply, but I don't really watch like stuff other than what appeals to me. Like, I don't necessarily go for like what's trending or some shit like that. You know what I'm saying? I may kind of try to relate the videos to it so they can become more searchable or more people can find it. But for the most part, like, nah, it ain't even that. So yeah, I just had like a brain fart. Beep. So now that I didn't regain my consciousness or regain my thought process, then what I was trying to say, I'm not, like, example, here recently, like this Chris Brown and what's the name video, Lil Dicky featuring Chris Brown Freaky Friday video. Like, bruh, I'm not gonna like go make like a video of me dancing or, you know what I'm saying? Like, I've seen a lot of videos that are like reaction based. Like, let me sit here, watch this YouTube video and react to it, and then people will watch my reaction to the video. Like, that's like, I seen this girl video, like she had like 80,000 views, and I'm just like, for what? However I do it, I just want to build my channel the legit way. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to take no shortcuts. You know what I'm saying? Anything worth having is worth working for, and that's why I keep these videos coming and keep the bills coming, and trying to just encourage and stuff. The giveaway joint, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I mean, don't get me wrong, like, I'm trying to get my watch hours up. Like I said, if I'm doing this, I'm gonna do it to be, you know, as successful as possible. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not expecting to do like a full-time job out the shit. But that's just another part of it. Also, that brings me to another point. I wanted her to fucking hit me. Because people be driving like all fucking close behind you and shit, bro. And that shit irks my motherfucking nerves. Oh. So, let me see. So, in conclusion, this is a month after demonetization. The channel has been growing. I've pumped up the videos. I kind of felt like every day was a little bit too fucking much. So now I'm gonna drop it to like maybe 2 or 3 times a week. That also, you know, gives me time to be able to balance, you know, family life and all that shit like that, because you should never put anything above your family or, you know, doing shit like that. So do what you love, but don't let it consume you. So the bills keep coming, the videos keep training. I appreciate every single one of y'all for the support. Make sure that y'all go watch the video entitled this is a video you need to watch for the giveaway. Make sure you watch that video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you comment on that video, because that's the video we're gonna be using to determine who the winner is gonna be for that for the LS Plate GM adapters or whatever. So it's your boy LS Chevy Rider signing off. Identify your weaknesses and making your strengths. Gone.